Today we are going to discuss about oxidizing agents, reducing agents, which species act as both oxidizing agents as well as reducing agents. Generally, in chemistry, compounds of nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine are involved in the chemical reactions. Now we have to find out which molecule or species is the oxidizing agent. Which molecule or species act as reducing agent? Which molecule or species functions as oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent? In the previous JEE exam, some species are given and asked to find out the substance which act as only reducing agent. In competitive exams, they will ask the questions like that. Now, how can we find that one? For this, step 1 is we have to find out highest oxidation state and lowest oxidation state of element. This is the first step we have to follow. Now, how can we find the highest oxidation state and lowest oxidation state? For example, nitrogen represented by N, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Nitrogen with atomic number 7 is in between helium with atomic number 2 and neon with atomic number 10. 7 lies between 2 and 10. The difference of 7 and 2, which is plus 5. This is the highest oxidation state for nitrogen. Similarly, 7 minus 10, which is equal to minus 3. This is the least oxidation state for nitrogen. So again, we have to find out highest oxidation state and lowest oxidation state for an element. I am taking the element nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. 7 lies between two inert gases, helium with atomic number 2 and neon with atomic number 10. 7 minus 2 is equal to plus 5. This is the highest oxidation state for nitrogen. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. This is the least oxidation state for nitrogen. Now, what about intermediate oxidation states? So nitrogen oxidation states they ranges from minus 3 to plus 5. There are so many other oxidation states. Those oxidation states compulsory lies between minus 3 and plus 5 only. Never exceed plus 5. Never be beyond minus 3. So least is minus 3, highest is plus 5. Okay. Now, we are taking one example, HNO3. HNO3, 1 hydrogen plus nitrogen plus 3 oxygens equal to 0. Now we are going to calculate oxidation state of nitrogen. Hydrogen plus 1, nitrogen plus 3 into oxygen, generally minus 2 oxidation state. Hydrogen oxidation state plus 1, oxygen oxidation state minus 2. plus 1 plus nitrogen minus 6 equal to 0, n minus 5 equal to 0, n is equal to plus 5. In this case, nitrogen has plus 5 oxidation state. You know, the possible oxidation states are nitrogen oxidation state. Plus 5 is the highest oxidation state. That's why, what is the possibility? Nitrogen has no possibility to increase oxidation state. There is no possibility to increase oxidation state. But only one possibility is it has to decrease oxidation state. You know, the process which involves decrease in oxidation state is called reduction. It has only one possibility to undergo reduction. So it has to be reduced. Thus it acts as oxidizing agent. You learned the species which undergo reduction, the species which is reduced, or the species involved in oxidation, involved in reduction, act as oxidizing agent. That's why HNO3 act as only oxidizing agent. It functions as only oxidizing agent. Okay. Now first we found the oxidation state of nitrogen. Nitrogen in this species we are getting highest oxidation state. There is no possibility to increase its oxidation state. Only one possibility to decrease its oxidation state. The reaction in which decrease in oxidation state takes place is called reduction. So it has to be reduced. Thus it acts as oxidizing agent. Okay. Now the next one. In this case, I will give one example. Carbon plus HNO3 gives carbon dioxide plus NO2 plus water. NO2 plus water. In this case, nitrogen is plus 5 here, whereas nitrogen is plus 4. Plus 5 is decreased. Decrease in oxidation state. Decrease in oxidation state is called reduction. Thus, HNO3 acts as oxidizing agent, or we say HNO3 oxidizes carbon into carbon dioxide. Carbon into carbon dioxide. In this case, in HNO3, nitrogen has plus 5 oxidation state. This is decreased to plus 4. The reaction involved decrease in oxidation state. So this is called reduction. The species involved in reduction functions as oxidizing agent. This is about the oxidizing agent. The next one is reducing agent. Reducing agent. Now we take example NH3. In NH3, nitrogen plus 3 hydrogens is equal to 0. Nitrogen plus 3 into plus 1 equal to 0. N plus 3 equal to 0. Oxidation state of nitrogen is minus 3. Oxidation state of nitrogen is minus 3. You know, nitrogen has least oxidation state minus 3, highest oxidation state plus 5. There is no possibility to decrease because this is the lowest one. Only one possibility to increase. So there is possibility to increase in oxidation state. So it has to undergo oxidation. Thus it acts as only reducing agent. It acts as only reducing agent. It acts as the reducing agent. Now we take one example. When ammonia is reacted with oxygen in the presence of platinum, then we get 4NO plus 6H2O. In this case, nitrogen oxidation state is -3, whereas here nitrogen oxidation state is +2. Tell me what is happening. -3 is decreased to +2. That means there is a increase in oxidation state. So this is oxidation reaction. Thus it acts as NH3 act as reducing agent, only reducing agent. I repeat once again. In ammonia, nitrogen has -3 oxidation state. This is the least oxidation state for nitrogen. There is no possibility to decrease further, only one possibility to increase. That means it has to undergo oxidation and it acts as reducing agent. In this reaction, nitrogen oxidation state changed from -3 to +2. -3 changing into +2 means increase in oxidation state. This is the oxidation reaction. Thus the species act as reducing agent. It is acting as reducing agent. Now the third one is, what about the molecule or species with intermediate oxidation state? Intermediate oxidation state. When you take HNO2, HNO2 or heating changes into NO, HNO3, NO and HNO3, NO and HNO3. In this case, nitrogen oxidation state on calculation we get +3. This one we will get +2. This one we will get +5. +3 is decreased to +2, decrease in oxidation state. So this is the reduction, whereas the same species undergo oxidation by increase in oxidation state. So this is undergoing the oxidation. Okay. Thus the species with intermediate oxidation state, nitrogen has lowest -3, highest +5. We got +3. +3 is intermediate. +3 is intermediate between -3 and +5. There is possibility to decrease. There is possibility to undergo reduction. There is possibility to increase its oxidation state. There is possibility to undergo oxidation. Thus, it can participate in oxidation as well as reduction. It undergo disproportionation or it acts as reducing agent as well as oxidizing agent. That's why I say the species with intermediate oxidation state. Whenever a species has intermediate oxidation state, then it has the possibility to increase its oxidation state up to the maximum and decrease its oxidation state up to the minimum. Thus, it undergo oxidation as well as reduction. Thus, it acts as reducing agent as well as oxidizing agent. Okay, this is the concept.